It's day 20 of the project, and things aren't looking so great. Basically, the energy I use to bring everybody here is called Nexus energy. It comes from the center of the universe called the Nexus, and it basically keeps all of the realities in order. Without it, all of the realities would just crash and it would just pretty much end all of life, is what most people think. And nobody can afford that, and this is not good. Basically, this is a Nexus strain point, where the Nexus is being strained and it's leaking two or more realities together. And this is exactly what's going on right here. Basically, the Nether is leaking in to the overworld, and it's not going great at all. And there's one more strain point over here. It's blue in its color. It's right over there. Right there. And basically, just the Nexus is being strained. That's why it's called that. And I don't know how to fix this. I've tried studying and just problem solving, just troubleshooting, all sorts of things. And I think one thing that definitely works is inviting new people. Which seems a little weird because inviting new people was the reason Nexus was strained. But actually, when people get invited, they bring Nexus energy with them, which is keeping this at a steady level, which seems weird. It seems counterproductive that in order to solve the problems of bringing more people here, we have to bring more people here. It's weird, but it works. But I think it has long-term negative effects because that's what happened the first time I tried to do this. And I'm worried about what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna study a whole bunch and just read up on the Nexus and see what could solve this problem, because I really don't know. And it's the end of day 10, I guess, or not day 10, day 20. I've been studying so much, it's hard to keep track of the log numbers. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one then, if reality doesn't crash the project. And I've been building the Colosseum to take my mind off things, and it seems to be working. I've been focused on this, building statues of different races of people that I've come across in different realities, different types of creatures. And this arena seems to be something that might interest people. There's been lava lakes for people that may prefer the heat. There's this platform for people to land on, and then this platform for people to land on. Those are mostly the flying people. And then in there's where the Vex can go to hide. Some water for all the water dwellers. There's a button, and two rooms opposite each other where the opponents and contestants will start out. And there's a button in that room over there that will release those gates to the two rooms and allow those people to fight. And I'm pretty proud of this, actually. But something I am also proud of is I think I might have found the answer to how to fix the problem with the Nexus. Basically, I gotta build a structure that will act as sort of a Nexus battery type thing. It will just more effectively channel the energy, kind of like what my gloves do, but at a much larger scale. So that is going to have to be built somewhere. There's going to be a temporary one that's kind of maybe the size of this house, and then there's going to be a more permanent one somewhere out there that's really, really freaking tall, like that, maybe. As tall as that building, maybe. As tall as that island is high up. That's what I'm trying to say. And yeah, this is the end of day 21, and there's a cafe opening up far over there, which I think will be a fun adventure to take my mind off things, because the Nexus energy actually increased yesterday, shortly after I filmed the clip, which the log, and I'm really glad that this theme seemed to be going well. And yeah, this is the end of day 21. And if I sound kind of off today, like maybe bad at recording these logs, it's just because I've been studying so much and staying up so late because of this problem. I've been trying to find a way to fix it, and I think I finally did. So yeah, see you in the next log 2 of the project. And we've constructed the Nexus battery, which will channel a bunch of the Nexus energy and act kind of like a mini Nexus core, which will basically just enable this reality to exist, with all the different people and their different Nexus energy signatures. It just allows them to be in the same place, the same reality, without screwing up the space-time continuum or whatever. I don't know. But I've modeled these off of my gloves, of course. Not in color, but in functionality. And I think it's working pretty well, because last time I checked, the Nexus status level was at 43, and right now it's actually at 62, which is a bigger number, of course. And it's increasing. Like, boom, it just increased to 63 on my little monitor here. But I'm really happy we got this, because now this reality can exist, and we don't have to worry about this. But we do need a more permanent solution that isn't this tiny thing right here. Maybe like a giant battery, maybe as tall as that weird pillar over there. But this is the end of day 2, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.